Hello guys, so today for celebrating 20 subscribers, we're gonna do a video on what I found here in North Platte. Well, not in North Platte, I doubt it's in Maxwell, Nebraska. So you got a Union Pacific locomotive here, very close to a crossing right over there. And we got a Ferramix after that. That's a Ferramix. See, Ferramix. And after that, we got Norfolk Southern, and after that, we got another Ferramix. So, and it's lucky because of that locomotive right there. That's a HRSX. So I guess it is an HRSX because it says HRSX. Or wait, no. That is not. What does that say? Harbor Rail Services. That is super rare. So we got Union Pacific, Ferramix, Norfolk Southern, and Harbor Rail Services. Wow. And what's even rare, it's a HRSX, and it's 3004. That is super lucky. Like, never seen that locomotive before. So lucky. But anyways, just to show you guys. Bye.